Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. I have this little coffee mug and I wanted to do something special with it. But when things don't go as planned, you just fix it and make something else. So this is what this video is all about. And if this sounds interesting, just stay tuned. The first thing that I did, I prepped my tumbler and sprayed it with this chalk paint for a base layer. And then sadly my camera didn't record as I put those micas down that you can see here, those three colors. And I didn't do anything to it. I just put the mica on with my finger and yeah. I wanted to achieve kind of a Aurora Borealis effect, but that what I had in my mind didn't look like what I did on the cup. So I just changed my mind and did something else with it. So I took glitter in the same colors that I used the mica and I put a little bit of everything into my little cup here with the gloss varnish. And because I wanted to like kind of look similar to the colors that I put on the cup already. So I just mixed up this little bit of gloss varnish with the glitter, and then I took my micro brush and I painted some kind of a geode style design onto the cup. I ran into some problems with this cup. As you can see, it has a rim on the bottom. It must have been made from two pieces of material. And in my case, when I put the resin, the first layer of resin on it, somehow there was some air coming out of this rim and it formed a bubble. So if you having cups like this, just yeah, babysit it a little bit to make sure that you won't have no bubbles at all coming out of this piece. So this is what the cup looks like now, and as you can see, the glitter really fits to the colors of the mica powder. Of course it has to, because it's the same colors. After everything was really dry, I put my first layer of resin onto my cup. After the resin was cured, my cup looks like this now, and I really already love it. So now I have this temporary tattoo. This is one that you're probably gonna put right above your butt, usually. So what I'm doing here is I'm just cutting out the design to really yeah figure out where it has its peaks and its yeah lowest parts, so I can really put it down the way I want it to look in the end on my tumbler. Now I'm trying to find the placement for my tattoo, and I'm trying different spots and trying to imagine how it looks when it's on there and what I can see underneath the tattoo. Do I want to cover something or not? I have found the placement where I want to put my tattoo, and I peeled off the protective layer. If you don't peel off the layer, then you will have the problem that your tattoo will adhere to the layer of the protective sheet, and yeah, you probably have wasted the whole thing. So make sure that you remove that layer. I used to put my water on the tattoos with a damp cloth, but that didn't really work for me as well. So I was trying to figure out if a brush would do the job much better. And because it takes more water onto the brush, yeah, this is much easier. So now I'm trying to push my paper a little bit just to see whether it really releases from the tattoo already, but it didn't. And I've seen some puckers on the paper, and this is what I'm doing here. I'm just flattening it out. And on some parts, the tattoo didn't release yet, so I'm taking my brush and really wet those places again to get the paper off. So now I'm taking my fingers and carefully trying to push the paper back and forth just to release it from the tattoo. So I have seen that I have some trapped air underneath the tattoo, and I'm just I'm wetting my finger and rubbing it down. If this is not working, you can just take something pokey and just poke a hole into the bubble that you can see here. This is just like when you use vinyl, and you just press it down, and you will never see that there was an air bubble. And when I was satisfied with the looks, I just take a dry cloth and dab it onto the tattoo. Don't rub on it because you can distort your tattoo. So then I took my acrylic paint marker in gold and silver and painted out some of the details that is on the tattoos. And yeah, you can probably use other colors as well to give the whole thing a personal touch. And you can paint as much or as little as you want on this tattoo. If you like my video, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press the bell button so you get notified whenever I load up a new video. And I already thank you for that. So this is what the cup looks like now, and I'm really satisfied with the outcome. Now I have to put 2 layers of resin on top of it, and then my cup is done. So this looks much different than Aurora Borealis, but I think it's a good fix. I really love it. So I hope I see you in my next video, and until then, bye bye!